a little web video for everybody at America Outdoor. What Alexis at River Riders is going to do is to show you what not to do when answering a phone call. Ring, ring.
Thank you for calling River Riders. My life sucks. How can I help you?
Exactly. And what do you put in front of every person's screen?
So we actually put mirrors up at every desk. That way, everybody can always make sure they're smiling. Thank you for calling River Riders. How can I help you?
And you know what you're actually talking about? I challenge anybody watching this web video. What's your oh, sorry. I got it right here. I challenge anybody to call 1-800-326-7238. And the reason being is, every time that I've called into your call center, people are actually doing what you're saying, Alexis. They pick up the phone, they're perky, but they're focused and they're professional. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So, one more time, go back to it. This isn't a good thing to do, is it?
No.
No, and you make sure
This
that...
will not get you any sales.
Exactly. But if you do this, and you go, hi, good afternoon, welcome to River Riders, how can I help you?
Sales are going to go to the roof.
And don't you find that people sort of, the day goes quicker when everyone's doing it that way?
Yeah, for sure.
Fantastic. Again, thank you. Fantastic video.